We're here today basically for the North American design teams to get together, to not only just to learn, but also to get to meet each other for the first time. A lot of the designers in the network have not had any FaceTime together. We've talked in emails, we've talked on the phone, but we've never really had a chance to be in the same room all at one time. So it's really nice to be able to bring 29 plus designers into Colombia and have this time not only to be together but also to learn more about the ways of life with DS Smith.
The first training is about box mechanics, and I think it's really interesting because it raised the average knowledge of all the designers to the highest level, and also ensure that the consistency of this knowledge.
It's great to have all of the designers together in one space at one time for the American team, but also from our aspect as well. It's been able to sort of speak to everybody about what we're doing in Europe as well at the same time. We'll be doing the pace training this time when we're over, but also it's an opportunity to talk about some of the design tools as well, where we go within Europe on the design tools, and try to introduce some of the ways of thinking that we have across there.